Ndewonu, ekenekwa m unu. Asị m nke onye chiri ya zere. Afa m bụ Nwaada Gbaraọma ụzọ mmiri. Abụ m onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na Gbaraọma ọdịnala temple nke dị n'Enugu steeti. Wee na-asị ka tata wụ nkwọ mara anyị mma, ka nkwọ kwọgbuola anyị iro, ka nkwọ kwọgbuola anyị asị, ka nkwọ kwọgbuola anyị atịta ilu agaba azụ, ka ngwụkọtala anyị udo na ọṅụ, kpọpụrụ anyị ajọ ife, kpọtala anyị ihe akụ aka ihe enwe enwe, kpọtala anyị ọmụmụ nwoke na ọmụmụ nwaanyị ndụ. Anyị mụcha anyị zụọ, anyị zụcha ụmụaka anyị azụba anyị. Otu anyị si kwuo onye aka ọ ga-esi wee dị n'afa Chukwu na ọdịnala ise. Ndewo na ụmụ Igbo. Ichefukwana na afa mbụ Nwaada Gbaraọma ụzọ mmiri. Isiokwu nji maka ya wee bịa tata abụrụ gịnị? Isiokwu nji maka ya wee bịa tata bụ gịnị bụ ọgwụ? I want us to discuss concerning Ogwu. Ogwu is juju. Ogwu is charm. Do you understand me? Now, a lot of people have different perception concerning Ogwu. A lot of people have different mentality concerning Ogwu. A lot of people have, different encounter with Ogwu, which is juju, which is charm. Do you understand? But then, Ogwu is part of our tradition. It's part of our culture. It's our thing as an Igbo person. Do you understand? Charm. Ogwu so n'ihe ji wee mara ndị Igbo. If anybody tells you that Ogwu so n'ihe ji wee mara ndị Igbo, that person is misleading you. Yes, Ogwu so n'ihe ji wee mara ndị Igbo. That is why we have dibịa mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ. That is spiritual people that deal with herbs and roots. Do you understand me? As at the time they prepare this thing as a concoction and they give it to somebody that is sick. At that time, what they are giving to that person is Ogwu. They are trying to give Ogwu to that person for that person to receive his or her healing at that very point. But then there is an increment, an speed, the way I see misuse Ogwu. Our ancestors, our forefathers, they never misused Ogwu. But a lot of us are misusing Ogwu. Do you understand me? Now, some people will tell you that sacrifice is better than charm. Sacrifice is better than charm. In some way, they are correct, but in some other way, they are not. Onye ọbụla nwere nke ọ na-alụ. Now, there is ihe a na-akpọ evil charm. We have bad charm and the good one. Bad charm, the evil one, and the good one. Now, if you, for instance, a man, I want to use a married woman as an example. I want to use people that are in a relationship as an example. Just a very simple example. You are in a relationship with somebody, or you are married to your husband, and all of a sudden your husband starts moving outside. Your husband got a girlfriend. Now, you decide to go and use Ogwu, which is charm, to go and separate them. If you try to separate them, meanwhile, that man did not fall out because the woman used charm on him, what you are doing at that point is a very bad charm. Ọ bụrụ na di gị nwere oyi nwaanyị, i wee sị ka ije gwọ ọgwụ wee were ọgwụ wee tisa anya na nwaanyị anwa. O wee bụrụ na that girl or that woman ejiri ọgwụ wee jide di gị. O kwutọrọ gị ebe di gị nọ. O frame ho gị up ebe di gị nọ. That na maybe ihe so gị na-achụpụ that man, ma ọ na ihe so ya nwa na-achụpụ ya, ma ọ bụ na iji ajọ omume gị wee chụọ that man from your side. What you need to do at that point is to do what? Go and, amend your way. ọ bụrụ omume gị ka iji wee chụpụ that man, were omume na ọnya wa bụ ọgwụ ị needed that time. Use good attitude and good character to bring your partner back. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na ndị otu gị tinyere aka ije kwụọ ụgwọ iji ndị otu gị. Do you understand me? As long as that lady or that girl, I'm just using this as an example. Ọ ga-ewekwu ụfọdụ iwe, but I don't care. As long as onye anya na ya na-abụ nọ ewere ọgwụ wee jide di gị wee nalụ gị di gị, ị nwere right ịgwọrọ ha ọgwụ to separate them. O setụrụ gị up, o kwuru ajọ okwu ebe ị nọ wee weli ya wee nalụ di gị. Not just ihe si gị n'ahụ, your own mistake. You have to do what ịmara ka isi wee chụpụ di gị je wechite ya azụ. Ị mara ebe ị sara arụ ije chiri akwa gị ebe anwa. Ihe a ka a na-akpọ ajọ ọgwụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị gwọrọ ọgwụ wee si na line ị nọ that nobody will make it where you are, it is only you that is going to be succeeding. That, people that are doing the same business with you, that nobody will sell their market. That is a very bad charm, very wicked one. Very, very wicked one, because automatically, ijigoro ọgwụ ahụ now send a very negative spell against their business. Meanwhile, your own should flourish. Mana ọ bụrụ na ị gwọrọ ọgwụ ka business gị na-aga, nke nwoke ga-alịa, nke nwaanyị ga-alịa, mmadụ ananaghị nke gị na ihe anara mmadụ nke ya, it is not a bad charm. It is not a bad charm. Because no ọgwụ ka ndị nna nna anyị ha ji dị ebube. Ọgwụ ka Igbo ji dị ebube. Nna gwa gị eziokwu. Na a na-ekwu maka abịrịba, ịbịa side a na-ekwu maka ndị abịrịba bụ ihe a gwọtara n'ọgwụ. Their ancestors, not even ọ bụrụ ndị kịta. You go outside Enugu State or anywhere around Enugu, a na-ekwu maka Enugu Ezike, a na-ekwu maka Nsụka, ọ ihe our ancestors gwọtara n'ọgwụ. The good one. So you cannot tell me that Ogwu is not part of our tradition. It is part of our tradition. Even the Aja that we are talking about, that everybody is saying Aja is the best, Aja is the best, Ogwu is evil, Aja is the best. The Aja that you are performing, do you know that your intention, the intention you speak into that Aja determines if it is negative or positive. A man na-agbara mmadụ aja accident. Do you know that? Do you know na na-agbara mmadụ aja accident? If you cross it, you have accident. Ọ bụrụ gị nwa ka eji maka ya wee gbuo aja, you have accident. So even aja that we say have its negative side and positive side. Sacrifice that we say have negative side and positive side. Just like when you want to sacrifice your child for you to be rich, or you want to sacrifice your mother, you want to sacrifice your father for you to be rich. Look at it. Look at it from that angle. It is a sacrifice, but a very bad one. So we should be conscious. We should be intentional. Let's exercise our authority, the authority given to us by our ancestors. Let's try to exercise them in a more positive way. It is going to, it is going to help us. You cannot tell me that because na imatara ọgwụ achele, you want to start using it on everybody. For we, the traditional people, we, the spiritualists, the dibias, the reason why they show you ọgwụ na-egbu mmadụ, ọgwụ na-etinye mmadụ n'ọnọdụ adịrọ mma, ọgwụ eji eme mmadụ poison, ọgwụ eji akụ mmadụ ala, ọgwụ eji akụ mmadụ stroke, is for you to know it. So that when you have a patient that is in that condition, it can be the exact thing that you need to use to heal that person, to treat that person. That is the essence. It is not for you to use it and start dragging people's property from them. It is not for you to start using it to start looking for somebody to poison. It is not that. When you do that, when you use that power in a negative way, it becomes an evil charm. That is why whenever we are praying, we say every evil charm against my life. Because me, I have charm that I did for myself, for my positive reasons. So, but whenever I'm praying against any evil charm, I'm praying against those ones that are working against me. Do you understand me? So, charm ọgwụ abụrụ ajọ ife, mana ka isi gwọọ ọnya, ife ikwuru wee gwọọ ọnya, ọ ihe ọ na-arụkwa na ọnya ka a na-ekwu okwu ya. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ozi chọrọ izi m, you want to talk to me, you send me a message on WhatsApp. Thank you so much and remain blessed.